hear from Defense Minister Bill Blair and Public Safety Minister Dominic LeBlanc. As we hear from Parliament Hill reporter Cormac McSweeney, staff in the Prime Minister's office have already told the inquiry that their first hint of election meddling was actually from media reports.
This testimony comes after his closest staff took the stand, saying they were never given concrete evidence of Chinese government involvement in the nomination of MP Han Dong in 2019. Deputy Chief of Staff Brian Clow says agencies also didn't tell them in 2021 of allegations of China funneling in money.
The opposition parties are accusing the Trudeau Liberals of a cover-up. Documents from Canada's spy agency confirmed China tried to influence our elections, but officials say the efforts didn't affect the results. The Commission will release an interim report on its findings early next month. I'm Kevin Meisner.
6 City News time 7:34. The Bank of Canada sets interest rate policy this morning, and unfortunately for borrowers, it is not expected to be offering up any rate relief at today's meeting. But at 6